What's up, Bug Jeep TV? Welcome back, everybody. Semester's over, so I got a little bit more time to work on the Humvee. So I got a few projects planned, but yeah. Today we're going to work on installing a video rear view camera. So it's one that's just it's a normal rear view mirror. It's kind of like a camera in front, so I can get dash cam, and then the camera watches the rear like a rear view mirror. And we're gonna install that so I can actually see behind me, because you can't see anything out the window behind me. So in normal me fashion, the sun is setting and I'm just now starting on a project because I had to finish some other stuff. So let's get cracking, I guess. So I think this is going to be fairly easy, but I think the first thing we should start on is running this cable and hoping like I'll get out it's long enough to reach where I want to put it. If not, I'm gonna have some issues. So without further ado, let's go. And if you can't tell either, I have not had much sleep. So my plan is to mount it right here above the trailer hitch, if I can. I should be able to drill through that, no problem. But until I figure out if I like this position or not, I'm gonna mount the camera with double-sided tape, maybe some zip ties, and see how it goes. So I'm guessing I'm gonna put y'all back a little bit so you can see the Humvee and see me try and run wires. Oh, I feel like this might just be barely long enough to go the way I want. Let's see, right here. You know what? I'm gonna go the other way. I'm gonna start from the inside out. Stay there. Come back. Ladies and gentlemen, this might actually work out. And then over that, into here, and I have cable left over, which I'm not going to complain about because I still don't know where precisely I mount it. Alright, so here's where it goes. Here, all the extra. Cut back up. I'll tap in with this loop down there. Along the body here, and then up. Let me have the screen turn this on. Up there, and then where the old, you can kind of see a little speck of light, the old radio power for the old Army radio. That little grommet that goes there, up and into the cab. If I do this right, I won't have to put much of any holders on for the wire. I'm fairly surprised it actually worked that well. Alright. So since that went that well, y'all watch, make sure no one steals that. The big camo thing, make sure no one steals it. Zip ties are amazing. This up with these. I don't want to run that. These where I want to run that inside the front. Now we're going to just use up with these. I gotta do it tight, just enough to hold it. Here. to get the camera. This is actually going a lot smoother than I thought it would. So here's the question though. You can bolt this, and however, like I said, I don't know if I want to leave it here or I might move it up on. Oh yeah, I didn't show you guys the new toolbox because I got tired of locking my stuff in because it was kind of messed up. Got it for discount because I'm a cheapskate. So, like I was saying before, my mind started going sideways. Bolt it. Well, what I'm liking better is double-sided tape, or although I think it's just really thick aluminum. Never mind, I don't think second idea would work. That might fry the camera. So we're gonna try with this double-sided tape first. So I want it this way. Can you see? There we go, that's better. Really need to get some film for me. Position it right there. I think it should work. Oh, that would be even cooler. Find a way to mount it right there because the camera pole is just like exact same size as that. Oh, that would be so cool. You would never see it. Oh, man. Well, this bottom spot doesn't work. And that hole is just exact same as the camera. So that's our second option. Should kind of plug these in together first. And then, please work, please work. Please work. Alright, it's stuck on there. Of course, I'll have to, tighten those screws later. I'll sit y'all there in the middle of all my wonderful stuff I already have stacked up in here. Alright, so I'm gonna move some stuff. Alright, so here, so I'm gonna mount it. I had clips on the end of this. I zipped them off with the oscillating tool. So I'm hoping if I, lick it and stick it to the window, that'll create a good enough suction. Drum roll, satisfactory. Ooh. I'll never be the same again. I'll mess it up, scratch it, you name it. Power, AVN, this right. This should be on. Ooh, I did right. SD card, got it. Alright, so I vertically adjust. Cool. No SD card, got it. I don't care. Well, there we go. That's what the camera out back is seeing right now. And then it's got SD card, functions, loop, record, G sensor, frequency. Stream media. Ooh, that might be cool if I can figure that out. But yeah, we adjust that camera out back and we should be golden. Now let's see if my idea will work. Being my idea, I don't know. So I have to put it off to the side. Ooh. Kind of go off the side here. I wonder, would that work through there? Is that too small? That might actually be, nope, too far back. Blessed be. Well, I'm not gonna get any good dash cam footage, but I think we might be able to get good video. So let's run around real quick and yeah, see what the camera sees. Actually, we're gonna eyeball this real quick. Alright, I'll just got like a close up in person with that. But I want to get this done. One, so I don't kill my battery. Two, so I get this edited and get it out to y'all. I mean, it ain't perfect, but I can see behind me now. I'm gonna have to get something more permanent because I don't like this. Honestly, I might pick up another RAM mount and mount it right here. It's because I have my phone, I used to use that for my phone, and it just doesn't stick to the window well. Or I might pick up a RAM mount and just mount it into this. Because I was going to pick up a rear view mirror, or this, sorry, pick up a RAM mount and mount it into this. I was going to pick up an actual rear view mirror and mount it onto that, but I wanted to try this. I was kind of hoping that would stick to this. So I thought it would be cool just like to have the mirror right, have it right here, kind of like up and right here, which is why I'm thinking of this. But these are 80 bucks, or 50 to 80 bucks. But I'm thinking it might be worth it. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments. Should I rock this for a little bit? Because I'm afraid once I get the vibrations going, it's going to fall. And then switch to turn on and off. But okay, hopefully it has internal power, and that's why it's not. There it is. So let me know what y'all think in comments. Either that, get like an X mount or something and put it there. Get an actual rear view and mount it to it there. I don't really know. But that being said, it's installed for now. It works. We'll find out tomorrow if it falls off or not. That's the real question. And I guess from there, that's time for me to go. Zip tie everything. Love zip ties and duct tape. If you can't fix it, you have enough, use enough zip ties and duct tape. But yeah, I think we're gonna call that a project. So y'all know, so I didn't tell you in the beginning, real excited. We got merch. Merch link, you know, merch link in bio. We got merch link, but it's not in the bio yet. I'm going to, but it'll be down in the description. So go down there, click on it. Got like 3 different designs right now: t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, and it already fell. Not gonna work. But t-shirts, hoods, hoodies, mugs. Yeah, that's all there. So, you know, please help buy something, and like, share, and subscribe. Tell a phone, tell a friend, tell about where you've been. Just tell folks that we're here, if you could. And I don't know if many of you seen, but Cleese McFarland got a Humvee. I'm really trying to get a hold of him because I want to eventually take my Humvee down to, you know, show him, and eventually once I get the engine swapped, you know, do the burnout. It'd be fun. But you know, tag him down in the comments, send this video to him, do something like to help me get his attention, please. I'm gonna send him a t-shirts and stuff. I just ordered them. Takes him a little bit to get here, but please help me get a hold of him. Send him the link on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat if you got it. Tag him in the comments below, because you can tag people now. Just help me out, please. But I guess until next time, and I figure out how to mount this better, thank you all for watching. See you later. Yep.